Hi, based on countless hours of research and comparisons, we selected the best products available in this year. When we prepared this top list, we reviewed several products. We analyzed the features, performance, and the value for money of each and every model, and read many reviews from customers too. Watch this video about the best models of this year and make sure to check the products links below. Sit back and enjoy.
Hi, I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar BIDW1801W, the 6-place setting countertop dishwasher. Now this unit will hold 6 place settings in its large stainless steel interior. The unit will hold plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter. The DWP61ES has 6 wash settings and will heat water up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, which is good for sanitizing things. Now at only 17.5 inches tall and 21.75 inches wide, this unit will fit easily on any kitchen counter, RV, or boat. Also, the DWP61ES is Energy Star rated and only uses 3.5 gallons on a normal wash cycle. Finally, it comes with everything you need to get it hooked up and going, including an inlet and drain hose and a faucet adapter. I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar DWP61ES, the 6-place setting, Energy Star rated countertop dishwasher by EdgeStar. Pick one up today.